but it's a solitary experience. So what we do is we take that exact same content and we bring it to a public audience. We show it around a 360-degree display. So anytime you have people that want to see virtual reality content as a group, this is a good tool. So, for example, this is a Honda ad. It's done for VR. It's award-winning. But how would Honda bring that to all their showrooms? They wouldn't staff it with people to help the public put on the VR goggles and charge them and disinfect them. This is a much more effective tool. The animation, the video you saw earlier was a roller coaster. So if you were Universal Studios, you might have this outside the roller coaster to get people excited about the experience. And for producing VR content, it's effective also, because the way people have to produce it today is the director puts on the goggles, then someone else puts on the goggles, and there's no way to look at it together until you look at it on a sphere. It's also easier to produce VR content. You can see quality issues like stitching issues and so on, blending issues more effectively on the sphere. We can also live stream content. So let's say you've got a 360 camera at an event or at a sporting event. We can take that exact feed and put it out into the reception area, into the owner's booth. Anytime you want to show 360-degree content to a public audience, this is a great choice. Retail point of purchase, trade shows, public events, museums, education, it's ideal. So what you're seeing here is the VR commercial side of our business. Over on the other side of the booth, you've got the education side of our business. So here we have the world's largest library of global content. We're in over 40 million people a year see our product in institutions like the Smithsonian, the American Museum of Natural History, the California Science Center, the European Space Agency, and others. So we've accumulated a tremendous amount of global educational content. So for example, here's a very simple explanation of the day-night cycle and the seasons. So why do we have night and day? It's because the sun shines on the earth and the earth turns. So this is day and this is night. But in the northern hemisphere, the days are much shorter than the nights. Here, the days are exactly the same length. So what's the difference? It's that the earth is tilted. So the sun still shines on half the earth, but now when the earth turns, some places are in the dark all the time, some places have very short days, and the further south you go, the longer the days are. So this is just one example of many using our product for helping kids learn about the world. Every student in every grade learns about the world, and this is an effective way to help them learn more intuitively and to raise their skills at the same time.